TRJ was formed in 1935 by my grandfather. Very much still a family company in its third generation. We've got 180 staff based in Ammanford. Sell to Wales is very useful to give opportunities to companies such as ours. We have used it quite extensively, but the Aston Martin project was the first major contract that we've secured under Sell to Wales. We're delighted that a nationally recognised brand wanted to work with a local company. That has enabled us to take on more managerial staff. Via the CITB and with direct links to the Welsh Government, they have been very supportive to both our company and a lot of companies locally with regards to taking on apprenticeships, and I think there is a great appetite for that to continue in the future. Being a local Indigenous company, there was never a choice other than to work within Wales. It's a wonderful place to live. You can have a good quality of life. There's a lot of money being spent on internet infrastructure. We've got a lot of young people who are keen to work within the construction industry. A lot of our employees have been brought up within the community where we're based, and I think it's very important that you give back to the base that's nurtured you.